In this video, you'll learn how to add a login system using Emergent AI. This guide will take you through the necessary steps to create a functional login interface for your application. By the end of this tutorial, you will have a working login system integrated into your project. Start by navigating to the Emergent AI website. Enter the URL in your browser to access the platform for AI-powered app development. Once the page loads, you will see options that indicate a no-code environment for building applications. Next, locate and click on the section labeled Where Ideas Become Reality. This section is designed to guide you through the app development process. After clicking, you should see various options to further explore the capabilities of Emergent AI. After that, you will find a prompt that says build fully functional apps and websites through simple conversations. Clicking this option will lead you to the main development interface. This interface is where you will create your application. Continue by selecting the option labeled Full Stack App. This choice allows you to develop comprehensive applications that include both front-end and back-end functionalities. Once selected, the platform will present you with a new interface for building your app. Now, type in the command, make a login screen in the provided input area. This action instructs the AI to understand your requirement for a login feature. After entering the command, wait a moment for the system to process your input and generate the necessary components for the login screen. Following this, you need to choose an AI model for your project. In this case, select the AI option available in the interface. This decision is crucial as it determines how the AI will assist you in creating your login system. Next, click on Claude 4.5 Sonnet from the list of available AI models. This specific model is designed to help with various development tasks, including creating user interfaces. Once you click on it, the system will confirm your selection. After that, click on the Enter button to proceed with your AI selection. This action will initiate the setup process for your login system. You should see a loading indicator confirming that the system is processing your request. Now, locate and click on the option labeled Setting Up Safe Environment. This step is essential for ensuring that your application will be developed in a secure setting. The system will typically take around 1 to 2 minutes to complete this setup. While the setup is in progress, you will see a message indicating initializing cloud environment. This message confirms that the system is preparing the necessary resources for your application. Wait for this process to finish before moving on. Once the initialization is complete, the next message you will encounter is provisioning resources. This indicates that the system is allocating the required resources for your project. Allow some time for this step to fully complete. Following resource provisioning, a message stating configuring environment will appear. This means that the system is setting up the environment tailored to your application's needs. Wait for this configuration to finish before proceeding. After configuration, you will see the message starting the agent. This indicates that the AI agent is being activated to assist you in building your login system. Be patient as this process may take a moment. Now click on the auto answer option to allow the AI to take over the development process. This feature enables the AI to automatically generate the necessary code and components for your login screen. Wait for the AI to complete this task. During this time, the AI will build the app you requested, which might take about 3 to 5 minutes. You will see progress indicators showing that the AI is working on your application. Finally, once the AI has completed the build process, click on the Preview App button to review your newly created login system. This step allows you to test the functionality of your login screen and make sure everything operates as expected. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.